Mr. Cabinet Care offers the latest innovations in waterproof rigid core flooring for kitchens. Durafloors by Mr. Cabinet Care is a great option for about every interior living space in your home. No matter the style, these floors are rigid, strong, lightweight, easy to manage, and easy to install. Durafloors is 100% waterproof. That means it is ideal for wet areas like kitchens, baths, and laundry rooms. Durafloors features Crystal Luxe technology to resist scratches and enhance durability. Durafloors also includes a premium-grade assembled pad, which minimizes sound, accelerates installation time, and is comfortable underfoot. Most styles of Durafloors use a simple angle joint assembly. This simple joint affords a fast and easy installation. All Durafloor styles are Floor Score certified, and all have achieved the Green Guard Gold certification, ensuring high indoor air quality by reducing indoor air pollution and the risk of chemical exposure. Durafloors meets LEED standards. On trend, innovative, easy to install, Durafloors waterproof rigid core flooring is not only a beautiful addition to your home, it is extremely durable and easy to maintain. A dust mop or broom can be utilized for daily maintenance. Durafloors waterproof rigid core flooring is protected by Mr. Cabinet Care's industry-leading warranty. Durafloors waterproof rigid core flooring, a next-generation 100% waterproof vinyl plank flooring featuring the easy install locking system. For more information and to view kitchen designs inspirations, visit us at mrcabinetcare.com/Durafloors.